Friends, this is Shiva. Today we will discuss about how to use Visual Studio and how to work with Visual Studio in MSBI environment. So for that, we must need one new project. I already created a new project. In this, if you don't have new project, just click on the new project link. It will open one wizard. In that, we will provide the specific values. So now I already created a new project here, so just I want to click this new project. In that we will discuss about how to work with BI environment. It will take time. Yeah, it's open. I already created one new project that is named as integration services first practice session. See here, if we expand this, it will show everything. See, in that new project we have some folders like connection managers, SSIS packages and miscellaneous. We will discuss about connection managers and miscellaneous later. And project parameters params also is there. It is available within the 2012. It is not available within the 2010 and 2008 versions. So what is the use of Solution Explorer? What is the use of toolbox? The main important is Solution Explorer and toolbox. If you don't see the Solution Explorer right hand side and toolbox in left hand side, then it is available within the view menu. You don't worry about that. It is available within the view menu. If you don't see the Solution Explorer, just go to view menu and click it Solution Explorer. It will automatically arrange in right hand side. Then where is the toolbox? If you go to view here, toolbox is there. It is not in SSIS toolbox. It is contain the .NET toolbox, .NET tools. So where we will find that SSIS toolbox? Within SSIS menu here. Yeah, just a minute. We didn't see that toolbox controls because of we didn't come to work environment. So here now we will click this. It will show SSIS toolbox. When I click that, it will arrange automatically on the left hand side. What is the use of toolbox? What is the use of Solution Explorer? Solution Explorer will contain the solution names, project name and packages. Okay, if you want to create a new project, just right click on this solution folder and just add it new project. Or if you want to create new package, within right click on the SSIS packages, create new SSIS package. It will create one new package. So I already created one new package that is named as move data from source to destination. Okay, that is the use of Solution Explorer. What is the use of SSIS toolbox? The SSIS toolbox will have the particular controls. If like when I click that control flow, it will show that controls, whatever specific controls we are using in control flow. If I click that data flow, it will automatically change that controls. See here, toolbox controls. Whatever we have to use in data flow, within the data flow, it will change. Okay, first we're gonna discuss about control flow. What is control flow exactly? Control flow is nothing but it will give the execution flow of the SSIS package. What is that? It will give the execution flow of the SSIS package. Then what is data flow? Data flow is nothing but it is one of the tasks within the control flow. What is the use of that? By using data flow, we can move the data from source to destination with applying some business logics as per client requirement. Sorry. So let's begin with control flow and data flow. Later we will discuss about these tabs. So yeah, what we can use within the control flow. We have doubt, right? I already said to you, when I click that control flow tab, it will automatically change the toolbox. Whatever we have to use within the control flow, it will show us. See, we can use tasks and containers within the control flow. We can't use source, destination and transformations here. But where we can use the source and destinations? We have a doubt, right? Yes, when I click that data flow, it will automatically change. See, we can see the more than transformations. We can see the source and destinations here. Okay, here we can use that source and destinations. It will send the data from source to destination. So let's begin with data flow. What we have here, I already said to you, right? Within control flow, data flow is one of the tasks, right? So without using data flow task, it will not enable the data flow. Suppose I already developed that package. Suppose I want to take one new package. See here, for example, I didn't rename it this. If I didn't take it to data flow task, it will not enable this data flow environment. When we will use data flow task within the control flow, then only it will enable that data flow work environment. See, so if you want to create data flow within the control flow, just click this link. It will automatically create it. See, the work environment is enabled. So now we can create the source and destinations here. What we need here? Source. I used SQL Server database. So for that I need OLEDB source. I want to move the data from one database to another database with specific table into specific table in destination table. What is the source? I want source. So when it is showing the error, when I double click this, it will open on wizard. It will show us OLEDB connections. If you created that connections already, it will show here. So I didn't created connections previously, so I want to create new connection here. See here I created that connections. So I don't want this. I want to create new connection for explanation to us. See here we need to provide the server name. What is the server name? Whenever we will go for a SQL server, it will, whenever we want to connect the SQL server, it will show the server name. Then copy it and paste it here. See, here we can see the two authentication modes: Windows authentication and SQL Server authentication. Windows means we can use every Windows user. Okay, whenever we go for SQL Server authentication, it will ask username and password. That is for specific to us. I want to select the DMART database here. Select or enter a database name. Here I want to select DMART database. Then test connection is successful. Okay. Then again okay. See here we can see the data access modes here. We will discuss about those later. Okay, first I want to check with tabular view. If source have a table structure, it will move the data from source to destination with all records. Okay, that is the use of tabular view. It will move the data whatever we can have the source at a time. It will next what is that name of the table or view. Here we will give the source table. In which table to load the destination table? I want to select product category table. See here, if you want to see data in product category table, whatever that data will be available here, just preview it. It will show that data and fields. I have 6 records in this table and also 4 fields. Okay, just close it. And here columns tab is there, columns and error output. See here, if you want to uncheck some fields, you can uncheck here. I don't want to require to send this data from source to destination, so I don't want this field, so then you can uncheck it and save it. That's it only. Okay, here I want to send all the fields with all records. Then here error output will be available. We will discuss about error output later. Then click on OK. So see here, error will be gone. Then what we need, OLED with destination. See here, yeah, here also it will show error. So first we here when I click this data OLED source, it will show the 2 precedent constraints. These are precedent constraints. One is successful, one is error. So I want to connect successful precedent constraint with OLED with destination. See, when I double click this, it will open the one wizard. Here we can see the source database. So I want a destination database with destination table. So I want to create new connection, new, and to paste it, that server name is SQL Server Authentication and database. What is the database? Home practice database. Test the connection successful. Okay. See here, we will discuss about data access modes here also. Okay, yeah. Then we want to select table. See here, these are the tables. In which table we want to move the data, so you can select it. If you already created that structure, you just select it, select here and send the data to destination. So I don't want to I don't have the table, particular source structured table. So then on the situation, I want to create new table with source structure. Whenever I click that new button, it will automatically create that structure, whatever data, whatever fields will be available within the source. The SSIS control will automatically create that structure. So here you can change your table name. My first table, I named it my first table. So that's it. See here, 4 fields available here. So in source also these fields are available here, there. Okay, and that data types and varchar, unique identifier, and date time, the data types. Okay, let's click it. Then here we can see that these options, checkbox options, keep identity, keep nulls, table lock, check constraints. This we can discuss about this. This is very important. Don't worry about this. I will discuss about later sessions. Then here it will show that mapping error. See here, whenever I didn't go for mappings, if I didn't go for mappings, when I save it and close it, it will show that error. See here, the error is not gone. So must go for mappings at least once. See here, whenever I go for mappings, it will automatically mapping that fields. Source, this is destination fields. So why this mapping will automatically occur because of I didn't change any field names. Whatever source fields will have and destination also will have the same fields without changing any name. So that's why SSIS will automatically map that records. That's it. Okay. Then now we need to execute that package. See how to execute that package. Just click on start here, or either if you right click on the package, it will show the execute package option. Whenever I click that execute package option, it will automatically debug that package. So I go for this option. See here, it will execute. See, 6 rows are happen. See in source what the data will be available. See, let's go to SQL Server, connect with SQL Server. What is the source database? DMART, right? Yes. I want to connect with the DMART. In DMART, what is the source table? Select star from Mart. There is a schema name, product category, right? Yes. Shift to home. See here, you can see 6 records with 4 fields. See here. Then data will be sent to destination or not. So we need to check it, that one also. What is the destination database? Own practice. So whatever we have to provide that destination table name, my first table, right? Yes. See here, same records. The package is successful. Okay. If that's it about today's topic. If you want to watch my previous sessions, please go through my YouTube channel and please subscribe it. My YouTube channel is www.youtube.com/C/Siva Reddy Tube. If you like my YouTube channel, please subscribe it, and later we will discuss about SSIS packages with some scenarios. I will discuss about how to use execute package task and how to use execute SQL task, and I will discuss about those later, and transformations, how to implement the transformations in data flow. Okay, we'll discuss about later those topics. And thanks for watching. If you like my YouTube channel, please subscribe it, and thanks. Have a nice day. Bye.